lang bana. I live on a farm, and on my farm there is a cow. Do you know what the word is for cow in Sepedi? That's right, it's komu. Are you ready to sing along with me? Let's go. Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromo, rona le kromo. Also on my farm there is a sheep. Do you know what the word is for sheep in Sepedi? That's right, it's nku. I live on a farm, and on this farm there is a cow and a sheep. Are you ready to sing along? Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromo, rona le nku. Now also on my farm there is a pig. Do you know what the word is for pig in Sepedi? That's right, it's kolobe. So, I live on a farm, there is a cow, there is a sheep, and there is a pig. Are you ready to sing along? Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le kolobe. Very good. Also, there is a chicken on my farm. What is the word for chicken in Sepedi? That's right, it's koho. So, are you ready to sing along? There is a cow, there is a sheep, there is a pig, and a chicken. Here we go. Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le kolobe hoho. Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le kolobe hoho. Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le kolobe hoho. Kedula bola sing, kedula bola sing. Rona le kromonku, rona le kolobe hoho.
You can also visit our website to see what other language learning materials we have to offer. Also, visit our YouTube channel to see what we are up to.